Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to do spot trading on Crypto.com exchange for beginners. Spot trading is a method for buying or selling assets at the current market rate called the spot price. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Crypto.com exchange, check video description for the sign up link and get up to $50 sign up bonus once you stake 5,000 CRO and pass KYC advanced. Here's how Crypto.com exchange looks like. It comes with a very friendly user interface, very clean design, and easy to navigate app. Below, you will see main tabs such as Home, Markets, Trade, Order, and Balances. For you to do spot trading on Crypto.com exchange, click on Trade button. Next is to select your trading pairs. You can access your favorites, BTC, USDT, or CRO pairs. Let me pick CRO/USDT pairs. Since I want to buy CRO using my USDT, select Buy. Keep it under limit. Below, you'll see your available balance for you to trade. This one shows the price per token, and this section shows how many tokens you will get. Set your trade price from 25% to 100%, though you can just manually set the amount. And here will be the total amount you will be spending in getting the token. So I have 0.35 USDT and I want to trade it to CRO, so I will be getting 2.8740. Once decided, click Buy. To check your order details, tap this icon and select Order History. So for this buy, I bought it for 0.122 per token and got 2.8740 out of my 0.35 USDT. Now, I'll teach you how to sell your token. Go back to Trade again, then select your trading pairs. This time, I want to sell my Engine coin to CRO. Select Sell tab. Keep it under limit. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a given asset at a specified or a better price. Below will be your available tokens. Right now, I have 2.58 Engine coin. This section shows average price, and this section shows the selling volume. Right now, the selling price is 9.553 CRO. Set the amount you want to sell from 25% to 100%. Let me sell all my Engine coins, so I'll click 100%. So for this trade, I will sell my 2.58 Engine coin and I will get 24.60, which you will see here. Once you are decided, click on Sell. To see your trade details, click this icon. And then Order History. Here, you will see the type and details of trade. To see your traded coins, just go back to Balances. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Crypto.com exchange video tutorials. See you on my next video.